In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Etsy. If you've been getting more pings and emails than you'd like, this walkthrough will help you quickly quiet things down while keeping the updates you actually care about. Start on Etsy while you're signed into your account. At the top right of the screen, you'll see your profile picture. Click that to open your account menu. This is your hub for personal preferences and privacy controls, and it's where Etsy keeps the notification options you can adjust. From the menu that appears, go to Account Settings. This takes you to a page with several tabs for different types of controls. Here, look for either emails or notifications. Depending on Etsy's current layout, you might see one or both options. Emails generally covers messages sent to your inbox, like marketing and promotions, while notifications usually relates to app and site alerts such as order updates or messages from other users. Next, you'll see a list of categories you can fine-tune. Uncheck the notifications you don't want. If you uncheck promotions, you'll stop getting general sales blasts and seasonal campaigns. If you uncheck recommendations, Etsy will send fewer suggestions about items it thinks you might like. Turning off marketing emails further reduces non-essential messages about brand updates or features. You'll also see order updates. These are the alerts about purchases you've made, things like shipping confirmations or delivery notices. If you prefer a quieter inbox and you already track orders inside your account, you can uncheck these. Otherwise, consider leaving them on so you don't miss something time-sensitive. Finally, there's conversations. These are messages between you and other users or shops. If you uncheck this, you'll stop receiving alerts when someone reaches out. Many people keep this on so they don't miss important replies about custom orders or support questions. Once you've unchecked the categories you don't want, be sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your preferences won't stick. After saving, give it a moment and you should notice fewer emails or alerts almost right away. Essential, legally required communications may still arrive, but the everyday noise should calm down. And remember, you can come back to account settings at any time to fine-tune these choices as your needs change. That's it. You've successfully turned off the notifications you don't want in Etsy.